Good morning. A sweltering heat wave grips the central western regions again, with temperatures expected to hit 33 degrees Celsius this afternoon, with a heat wave advisory in place. Meanwhile, eastern regions will continue to enjoy relatively cooler conditions thanks to easterly winds with highs in the mid-20s. Overnight temperatures were a couple degrees lower than yesterday, and lows are ranging from 18 to 21 degrees Celsius this morning. Seoul, Gwangju, and Busan starting out the day at 20 degrees. Mostly sunny skies are in the forecast for central western regions as well as Chuncheon, while eastern regions will see lots of clouds coverage. Meanwhile, parts of Jeollanam-do and Gyeongsangnam-do provinces could see passing showers during the day. Central western regions will finally get relief from this heat as monsoon showers return on Wednesday, while this band of nationwide monsoon rain is expected through Thursday. That's Korea for you, and here's the international weather for viewers around the world.